Hey guys, this is HP Deskjet 2820e. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print. What I want to do is to show you how to load particular paper. This printer, you can load 5x7, 4x6 photo paper, and A4 paper. What I have here is 5x7 photo paper. And to load paper, what you need to do, you need to make sure that this glossy shine facing upwards. Then you need to go in. Once you go in, then you need to adjust this accordingly. So this is how to load photo. Okay, so that when you print out the photo, the image will be on the top. So basically, to load photo paper, glossy part, only what you need to do is this glossy part, you need to face up with this printer. You need to face you. The same thing applicable if you want to load 4x6, you need to make sure this part is facing you. Then you go in, then adjust it. So this is 4x6 photo paper, 4x6 photo paper. And now I'm going to show you how to load A4 paper. Just need to bring this out. Then need to go in. So you can load up to 60 sheets of A4 paper here. And this is A4 paper, is what we loaded here. Once loaded, just need to adjust it with this clip here. Okay, so what we have here is A4 paper. So this is how to load particular paper you want to use for this printer. Thank you.